What's going on, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today I have this beautiful time capsule. This is Gil's 2010 Mitsubishi Eclipse with 31,000 miles on it. This thing is absolutely cherry. It is in mint condition, and I love it, other than the welding helmet of a window tint job on it. 50% on the windshield, not my style. However, that's not what we're here to talk about. We're talking about these beautiful headlights that I have made. But before I show you these, let me show you what came on it. Originally, this was an OEM HID system. Yes, from 2010. It's pretty much what you would expect out of an OEM setup. Not too flashy, not too impressive. It's a 35 watt HID ballast on the bottom. However, what happened, of course, car accidents do happen. This guy got damaged and needed to be replaced, and these things are pretty much impossible to replace. So here comes the work order. Wanted something as simple and clean and OEM and stock looking as possible, but of course to look brand new and perform. So these are OEM Depot replica housings. They are the rear reflector housings, and then I did a projector retrofit into it. So it's just a real simple shroud and MD2S 50 watt Morimoto HID system. I do have the profile switchback bulb in there. What I love about these housings is that these things have little monocles on them. So it's just a design element that was already there from Mitsubishi, and I'm not going to get rid of it because it's awesome and I love it. It doesn't negatively affect the light output in any way, so I'm not going to be mad at it. But that's the deal right there. They look great and they perform great. It did take a lot of rewiring. None of this was plug and play. So this is not going to be the type of headlight that I could build and ship and expect people to be able to hook this up themselves. It would take professional installation. The original HID system has a separate bulb for the parking light as well as the turn signal, whereas this one has, like I said, the switchback bulb. So I had to make a custom plug for that. I also defeated the DRL circuit on this vehicle. There's a YouTube video on how to do that out there, so you can go ahead and watch that if you're interested in that topic. So the headlights on this car do not come on automatically anytime that the engine is running, which was the customer request, and now they turn on manually via the stock. This is what it looks like currently in the parking light mode. Again, switchback bulb, so parking light bulb over there. This is the rear, just in case you were curious. This is an OEM LED array, and that is just a standard little incandescent 194 bulb in the tails. Okay, now we've got the HID headlights on, powered up. As you can see, it is a beautiful pure white system, and it looks stellar and phenomenal, and I do have the board set up so you can see the cutoff. If we're gonna say that there's like a little wisp right there, that is what I will blame to our sweet little monocle going on right there, but I am not mad at that little baby wisp because I love that thing way too much. As far as turn signals are concerned, again, switchback bulbs there, so the turn signal is nice and simple and clean and pure. On the rears, I did the GTR lighting, CAN bus bulbs that have the built-in resistors. They are insanely bright, and they work really great for this application because you don't have to go inside the body and remove that trim panel in order to put a resistor safely in there, so that looks really nice. Interior dome light got replaced with LED bulbs too, and that is crazy bright. And also finally replaced the reverse lights on this with LED bulbs as well. So that is a significant improvement over that factory incandescent. I got this job done in one day, start to finish, although I will admit it is a pretty late day. As you can see, it is night out outside now. The customer drove a little over 4 hours away from Fort Pierce, and so I greatly appreciate the support from all of the Floridians out here, although the pressure to get these things done in one day is pretty intense. It was a lot of fun. I greatly appreciate this vehicle. I greatly appreciate the owner. This thing is just super, super cool, and I was really honored to be able to work on it. Thank you so much for watching this beautiful video of this beautiful car. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Again, thank you, thank you, thank you, and have yourselves a wonderful evening. I'll talk to you later. See ya.